Okay, so let's look at how to submit an assignment in Blackboard. All right, so notice this says assignment 1 submission. Submit your answers to assignment 1 as a Word or PDF document. And we want to make sure we always submit things in the way that our instructor has asked, because the instructor may not have a way to open documents that are not Word or PDF documents, and you may not get credit for it if it's not in that format. So I'm going to click on this. And notice if I arrow down here, I could write my submission. If I click write my submission, it'll open a box for me and I can write just like I was writing in Word. Or easiest thing is to browse my computer and find the file. So I don't have this assignment 1 answer since I'm the instructor, but let's just assume that this was it. I'll click on it. And then the big thing you got to remember to do, notice the document appeared right here, is to hit submit down here at the bottom. Sorry, I'm doing videos.